Good morning.
How are you?
Are these all for one event?
I think so.
Ooh la la. We are at Cali Wholesale in the Carlsbad Flower Market, where I buy all my flowers for classes. We have classes 3 to 4 times a year in this location. It is a sea of gorgeous flowers. There's twin flowers, where I buy most of my flowers from. Everything that is harvested and grown, and it keeps coming in. It doesn't stop here at Carlsbad. If you ever get a chance to come to Carlsbad, go into there. Twin Flowers. Talk to Adelaide over there and her husband. They run the place. Great flowers, great prices. Tell them you're with me and just see all that you can get. So if you want to join me in class and come bloom amongst the flowers, go to Flower School 101.com. See you in class. Flower School 101. Oop, look at the laser in for graduation. Flower School 101.com.